So here is the another acronym for the order of operation, and it is called Bidmas. So B for bracket, I for indices, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So for example, if you have 19 minus 3 bracket 20 minus 2 to the fourth minus 7 divided by 4 times 8, and then close bracket. So we have to simplify first, okay, the numbers inside the bracket where we have the power. So 2 to the fourth, so just copy 19 minus 3 open bracket 20 minus 2 to the fourth is 16, yeah, because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, okay, that's 16 minus 7 over 4 times 8, and then close bracket. Okay, after that we have to simplify first 16 minus 7 for the fraction form. So we can simplify that one first under the fraction. So 19 minus 3 times 20 minus 16 minus 7 is 9 over 4 times 8. So in this case, instead of dividing 9 divided by 4, we can cancel out 4 and 8 by simply dividing both of them by 4. So copy 19 minus 3 open bracket 20, and then minus, so we can cut 4 and 8, so 8 will become 2, and then 9 times 2 is 18. Close bracket, and copy 19 minus 3, simplify the number inside the bracket, which is 20 minus 18, and that is 2. And then simplify 3 times 2, because we have to follow the left to right even if it is Bidmas. So 19, 3 times 2 is 6, so 19 minus 6 is equal to 13, and that's the answer. Okay, that's all. Bye.